This YouTube studio is fake. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the background of your YouTube videos and it looks more professional even though you don't have enough money to buy expensive equipment and accessories. And this can be done in 3 simple steps. The first step is to record yourself. While recording yourself, you have to make sure that you have a good lighting. But if you don't have money to buy expensive lightings like me, you just have to sit in front of your window and make sure there is enough light. This is just to make sure you have enough lighting to face your subject, which is you. Other thing you have to keep in mind is that you have to make sure your phone is on the tripod. Make sure your phone is on a steady thing to prevent those shaky videos. Because if you have shaky videos and you press the background, it will not fit your video and your video it will not be smooth. So you have to make sure that you press your phone on a tripod or anything which is steady. The next step is to get the background image. To get free images to use, you can go ahead and search this website which is called freepik.com, and then you have to search YouTube Studio background. After searching this prompt, you will receive many images of YouTube Studio's background which is free to use. And by using it, you can use it for free without any charge. So for me, I'm going to pick this background. After clicking on this background, you see the option of download. Then you click on that. Then you click on free download. After clicking on free download, you can choose the size you want. For me, I'm going to choose original and then click on free download. You see that the image is downloading, and once it's completed, you can go ahead and use it in your edits. If you want to create a background based on your opinions or ideas, you can go ahead and use this AI which is called leonardo.ai, and then you can sign up and create an account on this leonardo.ai. So after creating an account, you will see an option of image generator. After seeing an image generator, you will input some prompt like this: create a fake YouTube Studio background. After inputting this prompt, you have to click on generate. After clicking on generate, you will receive backgrounds and you will choose which one you love. So after picking up the one you love, you will download it and go ahead and use it in your edits. But before we move on, give this video a like and subscribe to help me to reach 100 subscribers before the end of this month. Thank you. Also, I would like to be honest and share with you that English is not my first language. I'm trying to improve my communication skills so that I can communicate better with all of you. So the step number 3 is editing. So about editing, we are going to use CapCut PC, and you have to have all materials you are going to use by editing. You have to have a background, a video, and also anything you are going to use in this editing process. So for me, I have this video imported on my timeline. You see that, and you have to input it on the second layer, not on the main layer. So you see this video has a background, so I'm going to add that background that we get from freepik.com. Then after putting on my main layer, you see that it is not still visible. So I'm going to click on this video and then go on remove background, and then you see the auto removal. Then after click on that and click on that background and increase the size so that it can fit this size. So then let's play. You click on that and go on remove.bg, then click on auto removal. So when you want to make your background look similar like the video, you can click on the background and then click on adjustment. We are going to reduce the highlight, we are going to reduce the shadow, we are going to increase the contrast so that our background can look similar to the video. Also, you can do it on the video. You can click on that video and go on adjustment, and then you have to adjust this video so that it can look similar to the background. And when you are okay with the adjustments, you can click on this apply to all, and it will apply these settings to all your videos so that it can look the same. So after that, you can select your videos, and after selecting, you can hit on export button. After hitting on export button, you can select the size. So for me, I'm going to left it at 1080p. Then frame rate, I'm going to left it at 30 frames per second, and then you can give it a name like YouTube background. After that, you can choose the location where you want to be saved and then click on export. So that's how you can export this video, and then you can use it from your projects. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe on this channel and comment anything which you want to see in our next videos. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.